Hello students, our today's topic is new assets accounting. What is the business scenario for assets accounting? The accounting manager wants to manage company's assets with the calculation of their depreciation in SAP S for HANA Finance. The accounting manager wants the following assets to be configured in SAP, that is, buildings, machinery and equipment, fixtures and fittings, vehicles, low value assets, assets under construction, land and goodwill. He is interested to know all the process available to run assets accounting module in SAP S/4HANA Finance. What do you mean by assets? The asset accounting component is used for managing and supervising fixed assets with the SAP system. In financial accounting, it serves as a subsidiary ledger to the general ledger, providing detailed information on transactions involving fixed assets. The assets accounting component is intended for international use in many countries, irrespective of the nature of the industry. This means, for example, that no country-specific valuation rules no country-specific valuation rules are hard-coded in the system. You give this component its country specific and company specific character with the settings you make in customizing. So to minimize the time and energy involved in customizing, country specific defaults are provided in the standard system where possible. The first step is activate assets accounting. In SAP S/4HANA Finance, Classic Finance A, that is assets accounting, is no longer available. So you have to activate new asset accounting if it is not already activated. For activating asset accounting, we can use a path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Migration, Assets Accounting, Migration from Classic to New Asset Accounting, and Activate Asset Accounting Asset. SAP में जाते हैं. Display included SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Assets Accounting, Migration, Assets Accounting New, Migration from Classic to New, Activate Assets Accounting. So यहाँ पर आपको एक्टिव सेलेक्ट करना है, देन क्लिक ऑन सेव बटन.